Hi guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I would be sharing to you my 2023 luxury favorites. Yes, so I will be sharing to you my favorites SLG accessories and of course my favorite bags. It means that these are the top choices that normally I would be picking out whenever I would be going out. I'm so excited to be sharing them to you. And guys, please make sure you watch until the end of the episode because among these favorites of mine for 2023, I would be revealing my top 1. So hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us start first with accessories and SLGs. So the very first one I would like to share, one of my top favorite for 2023 definitely would be my YSL card holder over here. So this one, I am so in love with this. The material is like a grained leather. As you can see, there's engraving of YSL here. Also here, yes, it's a little bit tarnished, but this works perfectly for me because it's not just a card holder. So as you can see here, on this pocket I have my IDs. Then it has several inserts for credit cards, and also I could insert my cash and then more cards here. Then we have YSL stamping over here. This is very compact. I think you could also call this one a compact wallet. I so love this one. Perfectly works for every time that I would be going out. Next accessory that I would like to share to you definitely would be my YSL black leather belt over here. So currently this year guys, I am obsessed with quiet luxury styling. So whenever I would be going out, if there would be times I would not want any screaming logos. So as you can see here, the logos of this one is very discreet and it has like the enamel background with silver color over here, then black leather belt. So I wear this one mostly every time that I would be going out when I feel that I want to have a quiet luxury styling. And together with that one guys, the next accessory that I would like to share, of course, let us start first since I already shared the YSL belt. So we have of course here a Saint Laurent box. So this one, when I have initially received this, I was like not really in love with this one, but now guys, I am so in love with the YSL earrings or YSL Kate tassel earrings over here. So as you can see, so it has two small YSL. It is for, as you can see, this is how you put it in your ear, and it has these two tassels. And whenever I would be wearing these beautiful Kate tassel earrings, I would be wearing them on one ear so it would have more impact. So this one I super love. And of course, I love my singular Chanel pearl earrings. So whenever I would want like, you know, kind of Chanel styling, definitely this is one of my top choice. And another accessory that I would like to share that I purchased this year. So I got this one from Zara. So these are like this gold vintage like drop earrings over here. Although a little bit heavy, but I so love them. It looks really artisanal. And the next accessory, this one guys, I am so in love. So together with this one, this is new. I just purchased it this year. These two over here, I love them. They are made of surgical stainless steel. So they are like ear cuffs. You could wear it on any part of your ear. So it gives like a good statement whenever I'm going out. As you can see, I paired up with this two teardrop shaped earring. I so love the combination. And of course, the last accessory that's on my top for 2023 would be from the Mugler x H&M collaboration, and it is like a partner of the teardrop shaped earring. So it would be like this. This is made of 95% brass, and as you're going to see on top, it has a rhinestone which gives a little bit of shine. So this one, I really love this as well because it gives me that edgy look for my style of the day. Alright, so now let us move on to the bag category. So the first bag favorite of 2023, it is my crystal knot bags, and it is sparkle and stardust over here. So I have just purchased this one. This is my birthday gift last July for gift from me to me, and I am so definitely in love with these two bags. So they are non-luxury bags, but guys, to be honest, I really don't care because the quality of this one can be compared to a luxury bag. It is the same glass crystals that Alexander Wang and Jimmy Choo are using. So I was able to check that when I visit Alexander Wang here in the Philippines and Jimmy Choo as well, because these two bags here have definitely a good weight on them. That's why you can determine that the crystals that they have used here are crystals, not plastic. And of course, aside from the high impact of these bags, one of the reason why I always, pull them out whenever I would be going out is because the amount of stuff that I could put inside. I'm going to put a video here, so definitely it could fit my two phones. So one is a Pro Max and one is a Pro. It could fit my power bank, of course my card holder, my cosmetics, and everything that I need for me to survive the whole day definitely could fit inside this bag. My partner is actually a little bit not liking this bag because the amount of how many times I've used this. He would say, you are purchasing and collecting luxury bag, yet every time you are going out, you are using these crystal knot bags. And I told him I really don't care because just look at them. They shine very, very beautifully. They are high impact and they really does elevate my look. Alright, so next bag favorite. I'm just tired of pulling her out from inside the box, but it is my Chanel Rodeo dry flap bag. So guys, I am so surprised how much I am in love with this bag. I'm just going to put a video here. So the reason why she is one of my favorite initially, guys, so when I have received her, it was okay, and then I was falling out of in love, and then I put her on sale on my carousel account. But this year, guys, OMG, I have used her so much, then being the reason why I am now removing her from my carousel account, and definitely she's going to stay in my collection. So the reason why this is one of my top favorite Chanel bag in my collection is because, of course, number one, the size. The length of this one is 26 centimeters, and then number two, she is very carefree. So she's very squishy. She could be compared to like a Fendi baguette. So whenever I am carrying her, so I would be carrying her as a shoulder bag. And of course, she has very good strap drop, which I feel very comfortable. Even though she is underneath my arm, she is not like here underneath my armpit. So I could be assured that my bags would still be taken care of. And of course, the high impact of the Chanel bag. So she is not like a classic Chanel flap bag. So her color is the metallic silver, and of course, the material is the silver perforated leather, and she has a timeless CC, and I love the silver chain. The silver chain is like a jewelry. It houses everything that I need, all of my essentials plus more. That's why I am so in love with my Chanel Rodeo dry flap bag. Alright, so the next two bag favorite in my collection, they are the latest unboxings that I have done in my channel, and if you have been following me, they are from the bag Ferragamo. So the very first favorite would be my, it's the other way around. It's my Ferragamo iconic top handle bags. I purchased this one pre-love from a Japanese consignment store. The material is black patent leather with gold hardware. Okay, so now let us go to the reason why this is one of the favorites in my collection for 2023. Yes, I have just received this late this year, but OMG guys, every time that I will be going out, definitely she is a top contender because number one, the size of this one, so the length of this is 24 centimeters, and if we are going to open, she is very spacious, as you can see, very spacious. Guys, I have a small umbrella over here, so let me just get it. I have a small umbrella and it could actually fit in here. That is why I am so in love with this bag. It houses all the essentials that I need for the entire day, starting from morning. Then I could transition this bag to an evening bag. And of course, guys, just look at this beauty. So the material is patent leather. I was so happy when I have received this because the patent leather, she doesn't have any issue. She is still in pristine condition. And of course, the third would be everyone is not familiar with the Ganchini logo, so I consider this as a quiet luxury bag. If you know, you know. So I could carry this everywhere I go. So I could carry this running for errands, as simple as that. And I could carry her on very special events, fashion shows, invites from different luxury brands. Definitely, I would be proud of carrying my Ferragamo iconic top handle. Alright, so the second Ferragamo bag that is favorite for 2023, of course, it is my Ferragamo Wanda bag. Yes, so just to show you first, her material is the very beautiful black box calf leather or smooth leather. She has silver hardware, so this is the front, this is the back, and if we are going to open, she has very spacious compartment, and she comes of course with a fully detachable leather strap. So guys, now let us enumerate what are the reasons why. Yes, again, just like my first Ferragamo bag, this is one of my last unboxing, but why is she already included with my top favorite for 2023? Number one, of course, is the size. The size of this one, this is one of the biggest bags in my collection. This is 32 centimeters. So as you can see, for comparison, definitely this is bigger. So if I could house everything here, definitely I could house even more on this bag. Number two, quiet luxury. As you can see, everyone is not familiar of this style. So I could carry this on simple errands, and I could carry her to big events. For example, I would be invited. And number three, guys, just look at the design of this bag. When I have unboxed this, I think I have mentioned that this was released around the early 1990s. So as you can see, I feel that the general design of the bag is very ahead of her time. Even the newer bag style of the Wanda bag, it's almost the same. The only difference with this one, I think the sides of the flap, it has a little bit of wings, but definitely they look the same. That is why I love this bag. I think she also has the look of the Chanel Kelly bag, don't you think? So I super love this bag. Very understated, however, definitely it elevates my look whenever I am going out, and definitely one of my favorites of this year. Alright, so now let us move on to the next top favorite for 2023, and it will be from the brand Louis Vuitton, of course. So the very first one let us discuss would be my Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. Yes, so guys, you know the story. So this is my very first purchase, brand new from Louis Vuitton here in the Philippines. I had her for a couple of years now. So of course, this is my very first brand new LV bag. Definitely, initially, I was so in love. Unfortunately, as my style elevates and the things that I need to bring also continually evolve, she slowly began going down the ranks, because to be honest, this is very small and teeny tiny, could be considered as a micro bag. The only thing that I could fit inside this one would be my two phones, would be a Pro and a Pro Max. Good news, even the Pro Max, if you're going to put it here, they are not going outside the bag. And of course, aside from the two phones, you could insert maybe one lipstick and a key, then a card, then that's it. So I was like telling myself, do I still need this? Because I rarely was not using her couple of years back. But good news is, when I have purchased a Felici-like chain, and I've chosen the length, which is a little bit shorter, which whenever I am now carrying her, she would be up to here. And I'm also going to put a video here. So whenever I would be carrying this one, I would be carrying any of my bags, but mostly, like for example, my Alma BB or my toiletry pouch 26. And being that reason, she is no longer one of my least used Louis Vuitton bags. She is now one of my most used Louis Vuitton bag for that reason. That is why I have removed her from my carousel account and would not be selling my Petit Sac Plat. Plus, guys, you know the price of this one right now. She is almost around 2,000 USD. That is before tax. And when I purchased her, she is only around 1,500 USD. So that is such a crazy price increase. So that is why I so love this Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat, and definitely she is going to stay in my collection. And of course, the last favorite of 2023. Did you guess it correctly, guys? It is by Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the My LV World Tour. So her name is Patience. You know, I name her Patience because during that time, just to share a little bit of story, I was like being so crazy in love with Alma BB. Unfortunately, I'm not finding the right one for me. I love monogram canvas Alma BB, but I am not in love with the vachetta. Then when I was, you know, watching videos online, some of the YouTubers, they are showing their world tour Alma BB, and I was telling myself, how was I not aware of this collection? It is so gorgeous. It has like the vachetta are non-pressed. It was changed to black smooth leather. So I did a little bit of research. I went to us.louisvuitton.com and I was able to confirm on that website you could still order the My LV World Tour, not just with the Alma BB. So you could purchase the Speedies, Pochette Métis, even SLGs and rolling luggages, guys. Yes, up to now, up to day of this filming, you could still order. So I contacted immediately my CA and I've asked him if I could pre-order my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the My LV World Tour, and he checked and he said yes. So I immediately made an appointment in our Louis Vuitton store, and together with my CA Keo, we have pre-ordered and customized this Louis Vuitton bag with me. So I'm sure everybody knows the story. Aside from the untreated vachetta, so I remove all the vachetta and change it to the black leather. I have also changed the interior. Louis Vuitton Alma Classic Monogram is brown. So as you can see, the interior is the very beautiful cherry red interior. And of course, the last customization is I have chosen 6 stickers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good news is she is now 1 year in my collection and all the stickers are perfect. So guys, why is the Alma BB on my top favorites for 2023? Of course, size. So definitely for myself, I could bring all the essentials that I need. I could transform her from a day bag to an evening bag. Just like with the Loewe event, so that was like an all-day event. So firstly, we did a little bit of, you know, window shopping. And then of course, we went to the Loewe event. Then of course, had dinner. So this is the only bag that I was carrying and I survived. And number 2, of course, guys, my LV World Tour. So I was able to customize this. So I'm not really sure if others would be choosing the same stickers, but this bag is customized for me. So this is a 1:1 bag. And of course, she is a classic style. 10 years, 20 years from now, the Alma BB would never go old. That is why I super love my Alma BB. Alright, so guys, as promised, I would be sharing to you among the favorites here in my collection, which is my favorite, whether it be from the accessories, SLGs, or bags. So guys, if you know me, definitely you would guess it right. It would be my Alma BB in the My LV World Tour. Being her that I was able to customize this, so this is, I feel, for me, a once in a lifetime experience, and of course, the style and the things that I could carry her, she is definitely the top one amongst the favorite in my collection. So guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? How about on your collection? Which are your favorites for 2023? Please do comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!